I'm in Milwaukee on the Riverwalk in the historic 3rd Ward. It's a vibrant, fun scene surrounded by restaurants, bars, interesting shops. And I'm headed a short walk away from here for a tour of one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished apartments at the Gaslight and Corcoran Lofts. I'm on the patio of apartment 204, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, looking out over the courtyard. Prairie grass, a lot of open space. Just stepped into a generously sized living, dining, open plan kitchen. High ceilings, windows on 2 walls. It's breakfast bar seating and seating around a table for 4. Flat panel TV, of course. Just great windows. Kitchen has granite counter. It's a 4-burner electric range. Built-in microwave and dishwasher. Honey-colored cabinetry. And since it's Sweet Home, you'll find everything you need to be right at home. Countertop appliances, cookware, cutlery, you name it. Heading toward the second of the 2 bedrooms. A lot of space again. Chest of drawers. It's a walk-in closet with additional linens. Bath has a tandem entry from the bedroom and out into the hallway. There's an in-unit washer dryer and a walk-in shower with a rain shower head. Looking into the master primary bedroom, turning toward the entryway where you have some housekeeping items. Master also has a walk-in closet. Bath has wide vanity, with a vanity with mirror, tub shower combination. And again, a generously sized room. With Sweet Home Chicago, you can always count on being made to feel right at home.